you will be able to make profits, and you are basically not going to be feeling sad that when will my 1000 subscribers gonna be, when will my 4000 hours is gonna be, I am gonna be getting YouTube partner program. And no, this is going to be the YouTube cheat sheet that I'm going to be sharing with you. Now, the first thing is to choose a topic that you enjoy talking about. Now, here's the thing that, for example, if you like gardening, okay, and you do not have to talk about cryptocurrency, I know it's profitable, super profitable, but you're starting right now and you might not get that high CPM or high RPM. But what's going to be happening, you are going to be going on. So first thing is to get going, and you will be actually making a lot more videos because it's natural for you. You do not have to do extra research and whatnot. For example, if you're someone who just loves gardening, you can talk about different type of plants, how you need to put your soil, how you need to use manure, and how you can do organic farming. I'm like, wow, these are the things that you can actually talk about. So if you choose a niche that you are actually passionate about, you will be automatically getting content, and you can talk for again and again for few hours. That's the topic that you should be choosing whenever you're starting. Now, it can be anything. It can be basically anything as in what? For example, if you start a no-face channel, that is YouTube automation channel, if you are doing the scripting, if you're doing the voiceover, if you're doing the editing and whatnot, so if you're doing all of that, you need to choose a niche that you yourself are passionate about. But here's the thing, if you want to give it to other people, that is, you want to outsource this to other people, then it's okay. Then you can choose a profitable niche that is of high RPM because you're putting your own money onto that. Now, the second thing that you need to know is to do market research. And what do I mean by doing market research? It's pretty simple. You can use an extension called vidIQ, or you can use TubeBuddy. I have given link in the description of both of them. Now, what you need to do on that is that you need to find a keyword. You need to do basically keyword research in which you are going to be getting high search term. The search term should be high and the competition should be low. The search term should be high, the competition should be low. That is the perfect keyword, and you should be making 10 to 15 videos onto that video topic. Why? There's a reason behind it. You see, whenever you make that video, that almost 10 to 15 videos on that specific keyword, or to 10, if you take 2 or 3 keywords in fact, and after that you put in few videos, what's going to be happening? You are going to be ranking on that because the competition is really low and the search term is really high. So whenever this happens, that means what? There is a demand for that content or that content's video, but the search term is really high, and you're going to be actually providing much more videos so that people can consume, and you create some awesome videos. The third thing that you can do is to choose a smaller niche. Don't go for a bigger niche that you cannot actually, because what happens, let's assume this. For example, right now, if you start doing on topics like keto, my god, that is a big topic. For example, weight loss, it's a big topic. People are ranking like anything. It's really hard because the search term or the keyword ranking will be really worst, you can say. Why? Because it's a really high in competition. People are making videos again and again, people are finding it, and there are lots and lots of videos, and you will not be able to rank. So what's the better alternative? It's to choose the right keyword and to choose a smaller niche. And whenever, for example, if you choose a smaller niche like ketogenic diet for women after 50s, let's assume that, or after 40s, so you are targeting, like you are using basically long-term keyword or long tail keyword that we all know. So what's going to be happening is that you are targeting people who are interested in ketogenic diet, people who are actually women and who are in the age of 50s, okay, or after 50s. So you are using the demographics or you have actually laser targeted your audience, and after that, what's going to be happening? You'll be getting much more views with the help of that. Now, here is the thing. I know that I told you to choose a smaller niche, but it is also very true. I'm going to also be sharing with you that how you can basically make it profitable. Now, here's the thing, that if you want to make a niche profitable, for example, if it's ketogenic diet, you can choose something really, really exciting. As in what? As in some ketogenic product that you can help with people. For example, if you start with the ketogenic or weight loss, whatever niche, that is basically a health and fitness niche. So if you are doing that thing, what's going to be happening is that you need to promote your own products or affiliate products. What's going to be happening is that you scale real fast, and with the help of that, you actually start from day one itself. You will be able to monetize the whole thing. Why? Because whenever you can monetize the whole thing real easily, you will be able to make profits, and you are basically not going to be feeling sad that when will my 1000 subscribers gonna be, when will my 4000 hours is gonna be, I'm gonna be getting YouTube partner program. And no, nothing like that, because you do not have to wait, and you can actually sell those affiliate products real